In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently earn money through Whop. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash on the side or aiming for a more consistent income, this guide will provide you with the steps you need to succeed. Let's dive right in and get you started. First things first, you'll want to log in to Whop. Whop is a platform that connects you with various tasks and projects, enabling you to earn money by completing them. If you haven't already set up an account, take a few moments to do so, as this will kickstart your journey to earning efficiently. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard, which serves as your command center for everything related to Whop. Next, you're going to want to navigate to the bounties section in your dashboard. This is where all the action happens. The bounties section presents you with a variety of tasks available for completion. These tasks vary in type and payout, so it's important to pay close attention during this step. As you browse through, it's wise to focus on higher paying tasks, typically ranging from $20 to $100 or more. These tasks are generally quick to complete, yet they offer a higher return for your time and effort, making them a smart choice. Now that you've selected your task, it's time to dive in and complete it. The tasks you find on Whop often revolve around activities like sharing links, referring users, or testing products. Whatever the task may be, make sure to follow the instructions provided thoroughly. Accuracy and attention to detail here are crucial, as they often determine how quickly your submission gets approved, which directly impacts your ability to earn efficiently. Once you've completed the task, the final piece of the puzzle is to submit it for approval. This step is straightforward but requires a bit of patience. Ensure that all your deliverables align with the task requirements, then hit submit. The approval process can take some time depending on the complexity of the task and the response time of the task provider. So a little patience here goes a long way. After your task has been approved, you'll receive your payment. Whop offers flexibility in how you get paid, with options such as PayPal or cryptocurrency. Choose the method that suits you best, and before you know it, those completed tasks will start translating into money in your account. The true key to success on Whop is consistency. Make it a routine to log in daily and engage with these tasks. By doing so, you can steadily work towards hitting the $100 mark or even beyond in a manner that fits seamlessly into your daily schedule. With this guide, you should have a clear pathway to making the most out of the opportunities available on Whop. Remember, a little bit of effort